And I'm ready whenever you're set.
Vane Hammy.
All right. Do you have a middle name, sir?
No, I do not.
Okay. Do you have a residence?
As of right now, no.
Okay.
I'm from Canada. I'm visiting my sister right now in Phoenix, so that would be like my place to go right now.
Okay. Do you have a phone number?
226-214-2700.
226-214. What was the last four?
2700.
Thank you. So the state is alleging 3 charges against you. All of them are felony allegations. The first one is narcotic drug possession or use. The second charge is dangerous drug possession or use. And the final charge is drug paraphernalia possession or use. On those charges, you have the right to remain silent, right to counsel, and right to trial. I've scheduled you for a preliminary hearing on the 17th of October at 4:00 p.m. The preliminary hearing is to determine if there's probable cause to charge you, not convict you, but to charge you with those crimes. If there is found probable cause, your case will bind over to the Gila County Superior Court. If probable cause is not found, one or all of those charges will be dismissed. There's a possibility that they'll take the case in front of a grand jury. If that does happen, then you will not need to appear in court on October 17th. The best thing for you to do is to contact the court the first business day ahead of that 17th date to see if court is still proceeding or not. Okay?
So on the 16th, I would call.
Yeah, so you'll get a copy of this information. So, your release conditions are the following: obey all orders of the court, do not commit any crimes, notify the court immediately once you obtain an address, do not leave the state of Arizona without permission of the court, do not possess or consume any alcohol or drugs without a valid prescription, and do not possess any firearms. These are felony allegations. If you're convicted, you could become a prohibited possessor. Do you understand those release conditions?
I think so. What was I can go to my sister's place if I give the address?
What area does she? Don't give me the address, but what city?
In Phoenix. Is it Phoenix, like May proper?
That's fine. You're just not to leave the state of Arizona.
Right.
Okay. All right. And then regarding these charges, I'm placing a $1,000 bond hold on you. So let me explain how that works.
Okay.
First off, being that you're held in custody on felony charges, that it gives you the right to a court-appointed attorney if you cannot afford to hire one. Can you afford to hire an attorney?
No.
All right. I'll send you a financial questionnaire to complete, and if you qualify for the court-appointed attorney, they'll be assigned at the appropriate time. Okay?
Before the probable cause hearing, I'm assuming?
It depends. Let me tell you number 2, and that'll explain it to you. So number 2 is, being that you're held in custody on those felony charges, the county attorney is prompted to file a formal complaint against you. Basically, it'd be like a ticket and a misdemeanor violation. So they have to prepare a formal complaint and provide it to the court within 48 hours of the date and time of this hearing. If they fail to do that, you'll be released on your own recognizance after that timeline passes. If they do file the complaint, your attorney will be assigned if you qualify, be notified of your in-custody status and of your charges, and will be in contact with you. Okay?
Okay.
So if they don't file the complaint, you'll be released. They can file that complaint up to 7 years from the date of your arrest. So the case just doesn't disappear, but it can be filed later. Okay? Any questions on any of that?
So like the bond, then can I still pay the bond and go home today?
You can pay the bond and go home today, or you can wait to 48 hours to see if it files and be released on your own, or if it does file, then you can pay it after that time. So all of those are options to you.
Okay. And like, is there a way I can pay? Like, my wallet was taken when I came in, and I just get the cash from the bank and or credit, use my credit card, or
so you might have to make arrangements if you need to make a phone call to contact your sister or somebody to provide the information to get the bond to get you released. Just let the detention staff know that you need to make a phone call, and at their convenience they'll let you use that call to make those arrangements, but they're not going to drive you to the bank or do any of those things.
So my sister will have to come here with cash?
I don't know that. Yeah, so that will be kind of up to how they accept the bond regarding the charge. Well, how they receive it. I don't know their rules there.
Okay, that's the bondsman that would be there, or the sheriff's department here.
The jail staff right there. That's with you. Okay. Right. Okay. All right. Also, you do
Is
have.
that amount be lessened by chance?
Say again.
Is there any way the bond amount can be lessened?
No, that's the lessened already. It's $1,000 on 3 felonies. It's already very forgiving. So the other part is you do have an attorney that's assigned strictly to a bond review on the case too. So I just want to let you know that you're held on a bond. An attorney's assigned to it. Their only purpose is to look at the bond to see if it's reasonable. If they find it's unreasonable, they'll request a hearing. Okay, so that automatically happens. And
I'll get that information as well of who that person is.
pardon me.
I'll get that information as well of who that person is.
Yeah, it's through what it is. It's a series of attorneys, so you won't get the actual attorney, but it's the Office of Indigent Legal Services. You'll get a letter that's informing you of that what I just explained to you.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Any questions on any of the information that we spoke of?
I think that was everything I needed to know.
Okay. So you're going to get a financial questionnaire to complete. Make sure you fill that out, and we'll get that back from you. You'll get a notice letter of the attorney assigned to the bond review that I just explained to you, and the release order that indicates your charges, your court date, and the bond that's set.
Okay.
All right. That's all I've got for you.
All right. Thank you so much.
You want it sent to you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you. Have a good one.
You too, sir.